In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to brainstorm profitable business ideas. First, I'll head to the search bar and type in a prompt for emerging opportunities in sustainable fashion for 2026 with a low startup cost. Perplexity quickly gathers sources and generates 5 distinct opportunities for me to explore. The first idea is print-on-demand apparel, which allows me to launch custom eco-friendly clothing using organic materials without holding any inventory. This model is incredibly low risk since products are only created after a customer makes a purchase. Next is upcycled accessories, where I can create handmade items like bags or jewelry from thrifted fabrics and industrial waste. This taps into the circular economy trend, which is seeing a massive surge in consumer interest. The third option is vintage resale curation, focusing on sourcing unique pieces from local markets to resell on platforms like Depop or Etsy. Now I'll ask a follow-up prompt for 3 AI-driven ideas to help local bakeries manage inventory and reduce waste. The AI suggests an AI demand forecaster, which uses sales history and local data to predict exactly how much a bakery should produce each day. This prevents overproduction and significantly cuts down on ingredient costs. Second is a waste monitoring camera system that uses computer vision to identify discarded items and provide reports on waste patterns. This helps owners adjust their recipes and portions to save money and resources. Lastly, I see an inventory chatbot advisor that integrates with sales systems to provide real-time stock updates and expiration alerts. This keeps the staff informed and ensures that inventory is always fresh and optimized. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.